Guys, we're about to go on a first drive in the Jenny.
Oh, you want to turn that into some money? Shit. God damn.
No, oh yeah, it is there.
Man, that shit's sloppy as fuck.
Go back. Go back.
I don't know. It feels. I don't know if it's just because my car's way faster, but this thing feels sluggish when you hit it.
You know it only has 220 horses. You fucked us over. God. Alright guys, so we had a little problem where the hood of the Jenny flew up because my friend forgot to tie it down because it doesn't latch on. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and take the hood off so we can take it down the neighborhood for a spin without any issues. Look at that, boys. We got a full tank, no check engine light on, 70,000 miles, and a boost gauge. Pretty good. We took the hood off so we can run it down the neighborhood without having any issues. Let's get it.
Nah, something, it ain't pulling like it should, bro. That was wide open. Showing that it's making any boost, bro. It's on at zero. Zero doesn't mean shit. That's fifth. Why is this train so sloppy? Wide open.
Really? So she's not hitting boost.
No.
We have a problem, guys. She's not hitting boost. You think maybe something's unplugged? Or like something could be missing.
I mean, the vacuum ones
Alright guys, so we ran into a problem where the car's not hitting boost at all. The pressure gauge is measuring 0 psi and she's in the same spot.
Look, nigga.
What? Where?
This shit's completely off, bro. Look. Come here.
Oh yeah, I see it. What is that called?
That's the charge pipe.
Alright, so the charge pipe is not connected. Oh yeah, right there you can see it. It's not connected at all. Alright, so that's why it's not building boost. Let's connect that. Guys, we tightened up that charge pipe. Now we're about to take it for test drive number 2.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Dude, don't make a lot of noise here.
I know, we're in trouble with these motherfuckers.
Somebody called the cops on us, by the way. They just told us to like finish up and go in.
Yo, yeah, something's going on with this, the clutch. The fucking RPMs are hanging.
Yeah, now she's hitting boost real good.
on the main road.